Get ready to explore a nutritional powerhouse. Today, we're diving into a true game changer, the mighty beetroot. This vibrant root vegetable is packed with goodness and ready to revolutionize your health. This isn't just any root, it's a nutritional treasure waiting to be unlocked. It's a vibrant, potent superfood, bursting with color and flavor. A true gift from nature. That deep red color? What secrets does it hold? It's a clue to the powerful benefits inside. It signifies the rich antioxidants and phytonutrients that make beetroot so special. Beetroot has been valued for centuries across various cultures and cuisines, and now modern science is proving why. Backing up traditional knowledge with solid research, it's more than a side dish, it's a versatile ingredient. It's a key to better health and sustained energy levels throughout your day. Loaded with essential nutrients, vitamins and minerals, beets can boost your energy, naturally enhancing your performance. Support your heart, keeping it strong and healthy, and help your brain, promoting cognitive function and mental clarity. For too long, beets have been underestimated and overlooked in the produce aisle. But today, we're shining a spotlight on this incredible vegetable, revealing its amazing potential. Imagine feeling more energetic and vibrant, ready to tackle any challenge, having better blood flow, ensuring your body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs, and giving your body a natural cleanse, supporting its detoxification processes. Beets can help with all of that, and so much more, offering a holistic approach to well-being. This isn't about a fad diet or quick fix. It's about real, wholesome food that delivers real, lasting results. It's time to embrace the power of beetroot and unlock its incredible potential. Ready to transform your health and experience the amazing benefits of beetroot? Let's get started on this exciting journey. What makes beetroot a nutritional champion? What hidden treasures lie within this vibrant root vegetable? Let's delve into the science and discover the amazing array of nutrients that make beetroot a true superfood. First, vitamins. Beetroot is a surprisingly good source of several essential vitamins that contribute to overall well-being. Beets are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant known for boosting immunity and protecting against cellular damage. Vitamin C also plays a vital role in collagen production, keeping your skin healthy and radiant. And B vitamins, especially folate, which is crucial for healthy cell growth and development. Folate is particularly important during pregnancy, supporting the healthy development of the fetus. They're packed with minerals like potassium, an essential electrolyte that supports heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure and maintain proper fluid balance. Manganese for bones, contributing to bone density and overall skeletal health. Manganese also plays a role in enzyme activation and nutrient metabolism. And iron for energy, helping to transport oxygen throughout the body and combat fatigue. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, so including iron-rich foods like beetroot in your diet is essential. But the real stars are betalains, the compounds that give beets their vibrant color. The pigments that give beets their color, ranging from deep reds and purples to golden yellows. These pigments aren't just for show, they're packed with health benefits. Betalains are powerful antioxidants, fighting free radicals and protecting your cells from damage. With strong anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body and alleviate symptoms of various inflammatory conditions. They help protect your cells, acting as a shield against environmental toxins and oxidative stress, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. All these nutrients work together, synergistically enhancing each other's effects, creating a health symphony in your body, promoting overall wellness and vitality. It's not just one thing, it's the combination of all these beneficial compounds that makes beetroot so special. It's the whole package, a complete nutritional powerhouse packed into one vibrant root. Beetroot is nature's formula for better health, a testament to the power of whole foods. Concentrated in one earthy root, a gift from the earth that nourishes and revitalizes. Your body will thank you for this nutritional boost, experiencing increased energy levels and improved overall health. Don't underestimate the power of this humble vegetable. It's a nutritional giant in disguise. Every bite is a step toward better health, a delicious and nutritious way to nourish your body from the inside out. Let's see how you can get more beets in your life and unlock the full potential of this amazing superfood. So you're intrigued by beets, right? Where can you find this vibrant, earthy superfood? Well, the good news is, they're not as elusive as you might think. Beets are practically everywhere, fresh, straight from the earth, often with their leafy green tops still attached, pre-cooked and ready to eat for ultimate convenience, powdered, a concentrated form perfect for smoothies and baking, or conveniently packaged as supplements. Accessibility is key. No matter your lifestyle, there's a beet product to fit your needs. Now, what happens when you eat or drink beets when you introduce this vibrant root into your system, especially beet juice? Get ready for a fascinating chain reaction. The nitrates in beets, those naturally occurring chemical compounds, quickly convert to nitric oxide in your body, a crucial molecule for cardiovascular health. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens your blood vessels, creating more space for blood to flow freely, improving blood flow, ensuring that every cell in your body receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs, and lowering blood pressure. You might feel a boost in energy or stamina, a noticeable difference in your physical performance. Athletes love beet juice for this reason. It's a natural performance enhancer. Your body knows how to use these natural compounds for its benefit efficiently and effectively, whether you eat them whole, enjoying their earthy sweetness in a salad, or roasted as a side dish. Drink the juice, a concentrated shot of nutrients, or use powder, adding a vibrant boost to your favorite recipes. You're tapping into ancient wisdom and modern science. Making beets part of your routine is simple. Start small if you need to. Don't feel pressured to overhaul your entire diet overnight. The important thing is to start. Even a little can make a difference. Listen to your body. Pay attention to the subtle cues it gives you, and notice the benefits. Beets are a natural way to support your health. Give your body the boost it deserves. Embrace the power of beets and unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Let's get to the exciting part, the health benefits. Beets are a blood pressure hero. Nitrates help relax blood vessels and support your heart. They enhance athletic performance and stamina by improving oxygen efficiency. Beets fight inflammation and support brain health thanks to betalains and improved blood flow. They help your body detox, support digestion with fiber, and aid in weight management. Low in calories, high in nutrients. Beets help you feel full and satisfied, and they boost your immune system with vitamin C and antioxidants. That's 9 powerful ways beets can supercharge your health. Let's make them a regular part of your routine. Ready to bring beets into your kitchen? Don't toss the greens. They're packed with vitamins and can be cooked like spinach. Roast beetroots for a sweet, delicious side, or grate them raw into salads for crunch and color. Add beets to smoothies for a nutrient punch. Short on time? Beetroot powder is your friend. Stir it into water, juice, or shakes. Sprinkle powder into yogurt, oatmeal, or soups for a quick health boost. Even a few servings a week can make a difference. This isn't about drastic change, just smart, simple choices. Enjoy the vibrant colors and earthy flavors. Embrace beets and take a powerful step toward a healthier, more energetic you.